Hey guys, so I just wanted to try out this hair color. I get so many comments and questions on my hair color, and I think I just wanted to leave the bleach alone for a little while. So this is the box that I'm going to be using for this tutorial. And I'm just going to be coloring my roots and not the entire head because the rest of it is already colored. And I'm just going to section it off and then detangle it, make sure that everything is ready to go. And I think in a previous video I already discussed this new applicator tip that Cream of Nature did. I really just don't like it. It's so inconvenient. But anyways, I'm just going to start applying that color to my roots and making sure that I'm not rubbing it into my scalp, but I am working it into the strands.
Game is kinda weak, and I know that it cannot approach me, 'cause I'm looking like glass and it's looking like trash. Can't get what I can't be that. So no, I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, and no, I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no. I want none of your time. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is the guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to hide me. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is the guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to hide.
And I would definitely recommend using an old t-shirt because as you can see it gets a little messy. So in the back sometimes I just take the product and put it in my hand instead of trying to apply it from the bottle and just rubbing it into the strands again. So now that all of my roots are covered, I'm just going to put it up and let it work through my strands for about 35 minutes. And this is what it looks like. I know it looks really dark, but when I wash it out, I think it'll look a little lighter. And here, after rinsing out the color, I did realize that on the sides, I still had a little color left in there. So I had to go back and rinse it out again. But now that I'm for sure that it's all rinsed out, I'm just going to shampoo my hair and then deep condition it. So this is the final result. I like it. It's okay. Of course not as blonde as my roots, but like I said, I just wanted to leave the bleach alone for a little bit. So this is gonna have to do. It's not that bad. And that's it, guys. Leave your questions, comments, and concerns down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.